Okay, we're gonna capture this particular street. It kind of goes downhill, and then there's also, this kind of goes to Sao Paulo ruins, and then this is a church right here. And then this is a park named after a poet. So it's kind of a cool little space. There's a church right there. Let me walk across the street here. It's pretty cool too. Okay. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay. Let's see if we can get across the street for one. So yeah, this one, there's an Italian restaurant. I haven't seen him in a while, but there's a guy that has an Italian restaurant. It has spaghetti. That's the park. It's named after it's a Portuguese poet. And then we have a little plaza right here too. So yeah, we should have some kind of focus for this particular video, but instead we're just going to enjoy the evening air and give this one a theme. I guess we'll just see if we can get sidetracked enough to get a theme going. So a circle that leads to. Okay. So anyways, the sun's starting to go down a little bit, but we still have some lighting here. We're just gonna stroll down through. Let's see, there's a music store. And toy store. Then the other day, there's the music store right there, Music Cracker, and then Puffin Cafe is a vegan vegetarian restaurant. Parking shop is where a lot of people shop at. I'll just show you what it looks like a little bit. So basically, most of our stores are kind of like that way. So basically, you can kind of nice little plaza. Macau has lots of little plazas like that. Okay, so another plaza coming up here too. I think we're gonna go down that plaza, this little plaza to the right. Yeah, we can do it. And there's one you can work out over there in that spot. And actually, look at all these bats. I think those are either birds or bats up there. 20 or 30 of them. Okay, so we're gonna walk down, and it looks like they're doing lots of construction here. Yeah, this is what differentiates Hong Kong from Macau, because Macau, I mean, Hong Kong has lots of plazas too, but Macau is just kind of filled with them. And you can follow this down a little bit. But yeah, there's places to sit. More places to sit. And some kind of cool looking stuff everywhere. And now we're going to lead right into this other street that goes to Sao Paulo ruins, goes to Rua de Invernarios, which is a place that has antiques and some other kind of cool stuff. So we're going to come right on out on this little street here with this black and white. And here we are. So we just see, we're going to just follow it. Let me just see if I can. And let me see. Okay, we'll just follow this way. Indonesian restaurant. Sambal Jawa, Indonesia. And we got a full moon up ahead. And I think we're going to end up closing it momentarily. Okay. And there's our full moon right there.